Okay, the guy's here to clean the vents. Looks like he's got a trailer with a machine on the back. Looks like it's got a motor. Yep, this looks like him. He's right on time. Okay, let's go ahead and let him know what's going on. Backing up his monster vac truck now. It's on a little trailer. Man, these things are nasty. This is what he's cleaning right here. These are air intake, cold intake vents. He's already got the grills off. Man, those things are nasty. Okay, the vacuum guy is getting ready to do his thing.
You getting air through all these vents?
Yes.
The number one thing we get a lot of times is vents that aren't blowing. But out here, the older homes, basically they have valves down the basement that they use to cut off all the energy, you know?
Oh, yeah.
So if you had a guest bedroom and you wanted to blow in there, then they turn it off downstairs.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And so you get more air flowing.
Oh, okay, yeah. Is that stuff heavy and stays down when the furnace is on, or does that come up with the furnace?
Most of it's heavy. I mean, a lot of it's not. A lot of dusting, like all the stuff I just sucked up off the ground, you know?
Yeah.